We have all been there. You're building the ultimate spreadsheet, your data is flowing, and suddenly you realize you forgot a crucial category right in the middle, or you have a dozen empty, useless rows slowing you down. Panicking and retyping everything? Absolutely not. Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. Today we're mastering the art of inserting and deleting rows and columns like a pro. Whether you're using Excel or Google Sheets, by the end of this video you will be managing your workspace in seconds flat. Let's dive in. But before diving into the details of this tutorial, if you like such content, to see the similar content, you can subscribe to our channel and see the similar videos. Let's start with the absolute fastest way to add or remove space, keyboard shortcuts. If you want to build muscle memory, this is where you begin. To select an entire row, click on your cell under the same row you want to select and press Shift and Space. And to select an entire column, press Ctrl and Space. Once your row or column is selected, adding more room is a breeze. Let me select the column again by Ctrl and Space. Now you can press Ctrl, Shift, and plus. And instantly you can insert a new column or row. Let me do it for a row 2. I press Shift and Space, I'm selecting a row. And if I press Ctrl, Shift, and plus, you can see that a row is inserted above the selected row. To get rid of dead weight, just select the target row like this, that is empty, and then press Ctrl minus. You can see that the extra column or row can be deleted here, Ctrl minus. Clean fast, and your hands never have to leave the keyboard. Now, if you prefer using your mouse, the right-click menu is your best friend. Simply hover over the gray header number on the far left for a row, or the letter at the top of a column. Right-click to open a context menu like this, and press Insert. You can see that a new column is inserted. For row, you can also repeat it again by select the row, right-click, and then Insert. For deleting, you can also select the additional row, right-click, and delete. And also here, for a column, you can also do this. Now there is a tip here. If you select an already populated cell and right-click on it, if you click on Insert, there is a menu here. You can select Shift cells right, Shift cells down, entire row or entire column. I will show you. If you select Shift cells right, for example, you can see that all the cells are shifted to the right for one level. But if you let me undo it, and I want to repeat that again for entire column, in this case, if I select it, you can see that a new column is inserted and all the columns are shifted actually. You can also repeat it for rows, but for delete also there are some options similar to insert. You can shift cells left after deletion, like this, and we can also see that entire row or entire column can be deleted like this. So instead of going to the letters and numbers and right click, you can also do it by right click on a populated cell among your table. Pay attention to this prompt so you don't accidentally scramble your data layout. What if you need to add more than just one row? Do you have to repeat this shortcut 5 times? Absolutely not. If you need to insert 5 new rows, simply highlight 5 existing rows before you right-click. So like this, if I want to insert 5 rows here, by clicking in on any place here after selection, you can see that 5 rows are added. You can also use the shortcuts here instead of right-click. The software is smart enough to match your selection size and drop in 5 brand new empty rows all at once. This trick works identically for columns too. It's a massive time saver when you're expanding large reports or templates. Before you go wide adding and deleting, let's talk about 2 quick traps to avoid. Watch your formulas. If you delete a row that contains data referenced by a total sum formula farther down your sheet, you might end up with a dread ref error. Always check what formulas rely on the cells you're about to nuke. And also look for merged cells. Merged headers across columns can act unpredictably when you try to insert a single column right through the middle. When in doubt, first unmerge it, insert your column, and then remerge. If this video helped you save time today, hit that like button, subscribe for more bite-sized spreadsheet tips, and let me know in the comments below what's your biggest spreadsheet headache right now. Thanks for watching and keep your data clean.